guess I'm stuck forever by the glue. Oh, and you.
Hi guys, we're going to eat. Gutom na ako, wala na akong masabi. Alam mo
Dapat
ba,
sila na
gusto ko
kayo
na
mo.
kumain ng rice.
Day 7, gusto na ng rice.
Alright. So we are in Amba.
Ay, nabi niyo pindutan. Pindot.
And nagvo-vlog din si MD Travel. Hi mga kagala.
Hello mga kagala. Kami ngayon, okay, doon na soundproof. Maganda yung boses do.
Feet check guys.
Hello mga kagala. Feet check.
Kailangan naka-aura pa rin. May bacon. Doon tayo. Kakain kami ng lunch today. Dito kami sa Buttermilk Modern Cuisine.
Hindi, na primo. Na voucher. 3,000 ako. Ay, mukhang bilis mo. Pero nakaka-inspire yumaman ng yumaman.
So, kung ano yung mga... Ayaman ako sa experience. Ang sarap.
Ito ay food vlog, so this is 10 out of 10 guys. Focus.
Wait, then...
Yes.
The mojito is better. What would you like to put on it?
What can you recommend?
It's a good question. What can you recommend?
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Okay, I'll
Would you
try.
like in glass?
Glass.
In a glass.
How about this one?
This jar.
Yeah, that
The
is
jar,
good for
jar
how
is
many
for
people?
sharing?
It's good for sharing.
Jar is it? It's this one.
Yeah, that's for sharing.
Yes.
I think let's go with
Yeah.
sharing. Passion
Sharing.
fruit.
So with passion fruit.
Yeah, only one. Then cancel the
Yes, only one jar.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're so helpful. Ah,
Lassi.
mojito ba yun?
Mojito yun,
Ako,
friend.
just drink na pang
Mayos.
sunod. What the
May tayo, tapos umorder tayo ng cocktail.
Yeah, we'll see kung sino matira.
Matira-matira. Patibahin tayo ng sikmura.
Pati ba? Nasikmura.
Tea
This
and
is
coffee.
hot tea?
Tea.
Hot tea.
What's in the coffee? So
Cha.
this hot tea.
This is hot tea. Sino nag-order ng hot tea? Ikaw? Naman naman talaga.
Mine is coffee.
For us, hot tea and hot tea also.
Ito na muna.
Hindi, so, una kasing hot tea muna tayo. Okay, hindi mo maubos. Okay. Pero i-order kita ng hot tea. Kasi kasama yan. Okay. Yeah.
Brewed coffee. Ano kakita na rin?
Kanina, kakakapi lang natin kanina. Plus,
later
plus,
naman.
plus, alak. Gusto ko lang kasi.
Ang canape.
Ano yung kanape?
Mga maliit na...
Ba't kailangan ko maging mayaman
mga
para
bread.
malaman ko yun?
Yung mga bread.
Okay.
Yan. Tapos yung may mga toppings na tomato.
Before isa-serve yung mga
main
main
course. Try natin yung corn soup.
Mas masarap yung burn sauce sa
Nabili mo na before paraming kabit eh.
Mas malas na.
Yung sabi mo, 500 ml pa lang ako.
Ang laki niya.
Akala ko naman nasa pipat lang.
Tama. Coffee or tea. Nirecord ko manili.
Ito naman, coffee. Ang laki rin na.
Ano yan?
Ayaw yata akong patulogin.
Napakadaki.
Kalahati na ng dugo mo lang kape na.
Grabe.
Palpitation mo lang hanggang ano na yan, hanggang Singapore bukas.
Then wala pang sugar. Wala rin milk na binigay.
Hindi ba ganyan yung standard nila?
Dapat maging coffee. Coffee with
Sugar.
milk and sugar.
Sorry pero baka sa Singapore yun.
Hindi. Kahit saan yun.
Ganon. Ma'am, What is that? Part of...
Parang chef.
Wow! Shit!
Tignan
May
mo
steak
steak.
pa.
Anong steak? Oh my God. Anong steak? Ito kasi order kanina. Sabi, akin steak lang.
Sa akin yung stick namin niya.
Sorry. Tatlong
Ayan,
bawal
naka-
lang yung ginagamit namin sa Bisaya.
Kasha ba ba? I think kasha pa na.
Kasha rin natin. Guys, marami pa kaming order. Kailangan pa ata natin ng isang table.
Kailangan pala ito na isang stick.
Nagulat ako ha. Ang
This
laki.
is good food. What?
It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Guys. This
Guys, lahat yan sa kanya lang yan.
Guys, this is chicken buttermilk boneless. Boneless.
The best of Taiwan.
The best of Taiwan.
One of the best of
Talaga?
Taiwan, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Amoy pa lang.
Sininghot.
Baka masingkot ha? Sabay, boneless naman.
Walang sasabi tuloy-tuloy.
Wala, meron pa. Lagit kayo sa
Oh my
may ilalagay yan.
Ayun yung asin. Yasa.
Sorry sir, English only. English.
This is spaghetti with clam. Kailangan na namin extend yung table namin sa di namin ang in-order na. Oh my God. Seriously. Seriously? Oh my God. There's some more steaks.
This is the steak.
Sir.
Well done.
Well done.
Well done sa akin.
Excuse me, can you take us a photo, please?
Just one picture. And
Solid mark. Na.
one, two, three.
Yes. That.
To pay how?
Yeah,
Yeah, right.
because it's behind the light.
One, two, three.
Hi, Heart.
Heart. Three!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Tomato with onion.
Well done.
Another pot ng seafoods. Try ko muna yung squid. Honey. May parang cream.
Serious ha?
cheese.
Kinakaroon talaga YouTube mo.
Siyempre.
Hanggang kailan kaya
Gusto ko
gawin
ito.
lahat para sa
Meron siyang mustard. Mustard.
Mustard ba? Pickles.
Parang pickles na
Ginger. Spices.
Service.
Starlies.
Ay, hindi pa. Parang siyang pickles na may mayonnaise, na may mustard. Nga eh. Try ko tong honey sa chicken.
16,000 pesos.
Okay, how much yung bill natin dito? I think 10,000 and 50.
Ito?
Char, mga
Hindi
8.
nasa 10,000.
Mga 8. Kasi plus tax and baka may service
Hidden
charge.
charges. Meron.
10%.
Mamaya natin isipin yun.
Maganda mag-isip ang gusto.
What if nanalo tayo apat?
20,000. Siguro hanggang mamayang gabi tayo dito. Try naman natin tong isang sauce.
Pero yung mas masarap yung breakfast kanina.
Nakita ko nga ng bacon. Pagkita ko ng bacon, gusto ko nang kumain.
Saka may iba pang ano, food kanina yung rice na ano. Ang sarap.
Hello.
Yung siya ba?
Yes.
Yeah. Meron pa pala ito.
Last na meron.
Okay.
Guys, this is mojito with passion fruit.
With herbs, basil, lahat.
Minute na.
Baka
Hindi naman siya
yun.
buto-buto to friend, babar.
Ano yan yung mga tingnan?
Babar ang buto yan. Try naman natin itong buttermilk chicken. Best of Taiwan. This is boneless, guys.
Dapat
Pwedeng
magpa-reserve
sinutin.
ng isa kanina. Ay,
Ang laki ng serving nila.
Requirement is yun eh.
And then my watermelon.